Hey besties, so for today's video I'm showing y'all how I got these super easy heatless curls on my silk press only using 4 flexi rods. And for my girls who like using a little bit of heat, I have a low heat method to show you at the end that'll give you quicker and tighter curls, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So first, if you're wondering what products got my hair looking so sleek and weightless, I've been using IGK as my go-to products for silk presses for a few months. This video is sponsored by Sephora and IGK, and I'm so happy they wanted to work with me again because I am obsessed with these products. And you guys, please run to Sephora.com right now because they're having their savings event until the 11th, so you can save money on any of these products or any of your favorite beauty products. So the first product I want to show you is the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. This balm is good for hydrating and reducing frizz and is very lightweight on the hair, which is the main reason I love IGK for my silk presses. Next up is the Good Behavior 4-in-1 Prep Spray. I always use a prep spray in my straightening routine, and this one controls frizz, protects against heat, and adds shine. So this is the Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Blowout Balm. This is a thick cream that melts into your hair when heat is applied. It makes your hair sleek and shiny but doesn't weigh it down at all. Next we have the Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. This is my first time using this, and I promise I will never not use it in my routine. It's a heat protectant, so I can apply it every time I'm going to apply heat, and I also get a keratin treatment like smoothing with each use. And then finally we have the First Class Dry Shampoo. My hair gets really oily super fast, so this definitely has come in handy for me. So on freshly washed and conditioned hair, I applied the 4-in-1 prep spray to protect my hair from heat and keep it frizz free. Then I applied a little bit of the hydration balm. I didn't apply as much as I demonstrated. You only need to apply a little bit. Then I sprayed the smoothing spray, my new favorite product, and brushed everything out. I love this spray. You guys can use it before you straighten and then after if you want to curl your hair or do touch-ups for however long your hair is straight for. You can see after I blow dried it, I feel like it wasn't smooth enough, so I added some more spray and blow dried it a little more, and it made it so sleek. And this is how my hair turned out using 410 degrees in one pass on each piece. There's zero frizz, which is why I love these products so much. And right here, it's been a few days and my hair produces oil very quickly, so I love using the dry shampoo to freshen it up. So I added some dry shampoo and waited 30 seconds before massaging it into my scalp and brushing it throughout my hair, and now it's more smooth and weightless, and it also helps it to stay smelling fresh. But yeah guys, I've fallen in love with IGK products. I use them all the time now, and again, thank you to Sephora and IGK for sponsoring today's video. And let's get into these heatless curls. So I'm going to be using the purple flexi rods. I think these are the second biggest size. Also make sure you have an oil or serum, and I'm also going to be using the IGK smoothing spray to make sure my curls are bouncy and frizz free. I'm going to work in 4 sections, so I'm just parting out the first one and brushing through it, and then I'm going to apply my serum. This is the IGK Crybaby serum, and I'm going to apply the IGK smoothing spray. I applied these products to each section individually, and then I just brushed them through my hair. To apply the flexi rod, you're going to want a 2-strand twist at the roots so that the rod is tight at the top, and then I'm going to place the flexi rod at the root and twist my hair around it, twisting away from my face. To secure it, I'm going to take the top of the rod and bend it over my section of hair. I'm going to be honest, the ends were harder to secure because I have layers now, but just try your best to bend the rod over the ends, and if some pieces are left out, don't even worry about it. It really didn't affect my curls. And that's literally it. This style is extremely easy. I'm just going to repeat those steps 3 more times for the other 3 sections so you guys can watch to see how I did it a few more times. And I only use 4 rods for my whole head. You guys can add more if you want, or you can use bigger or smaller rods depending on how much hair you have, but I just wanted loose and effortless curls, so I just used 4. It was a little bit of a struggle just trying to get my ends in, but this style only took me about 10 minutes. It's very simple. For those of you who aren't afraid of heat, keep watching or skip to the end to see how I did this method with a blow dryer to get a little bit of a tighter curl. Then I'm gonna go to sleep, so I'm putting on a do-rag because I couldn't find my bonnet, but I kind of liked this better because it kept the rods in place a little more than just putting a bonnet on. I had the rods in for about 10 hours and it's time to take them out. So I'm applying some serum to my hands and unraveling each rod and shaking the curl out. You want to be careful and make sure you don't touch the curls too much or they might fall and they won't really keep their shape. Then I'm going to flip my head over and shake my hair at the roots just to get the parts out and separate the curls. And off the bat, you're going to have a lot of volume, but if you don't like this, keep playing with it and smoothing it down and it'll fall down a little bit. I also didn't like how the front pieces looked, so I put them in a curler going towards my face and I blow dried it on low heat for a few minutes, but this part is definitely optional. I just really didn't like how it looked, so I tried to fix it up a little bit. And this is how it turned out. I'm so in love with this look. I honestly wasn't expecting to like it, but I think it came out so effortless and pretty, and I'll definitely be using these more often to curl my hair because it's just way healthier and less heat, less damage and all that, and it just looks so pretty. Alright, for those of you who want a bit of a tighter curl, I'm going to show you a low heat method. It's not going to be a drastic difference, but the curls will last a little longer. So it's the next night and these are the curls brushed out. So I'm going to do the same steps to start off. I'm adding a serum and my smoothing spray and detangling my hair. Then I'm going to place the flexi rods the same exact way. I'm going to 2-strand twist the roots a few times, apply the flexi rod against the root, and then twist the hair over the rod away from my face. For heat, I'm using this soft bonnet with a blow dryer attachment. You just hook your blow dryer into one end, put the temperature on low heat, and sit like this for 15 minutes. Once you're done, put your scarf on and go to bed. You can also leave this in for a couple hours if you're low on time, and you should still get some curls since you used heat. And this is the next day. You can see that the curls are a little bit tighter and they lasted all day for me. So I'm just fluffing them out like I did before, being careful not to be too rough with them. And then I'm taking my blow dryer on a high heat setting, and this time I placed my roller for my bangs away from my face and I blow dried for a couple minutes. Then I hit them with some cool air for a few more minutes to set it into place. This is the final result. I am living for these curls, you guys. I think they would look really pretty in a ponytail or a clip. This is definitely going to be my go-to style for my silk presses now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this style a try. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.